Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully, all are fine in these pandemic situations arising from coronavirus. Stay safe and follow health instructions. Okay, welcome to online class. Today, I will discuss about ratio analysis. Actually, this topic is covered from Principles of Accounting, and this course is available for honors first year and degree first year. Okay, let's start our topics. Ratio analysis. Actually, this is very important analysis. Ratio analysis is the comparison of line items in the financial statement of a business. You know that in an organization you must prepare financial statements, and in financial statements there are many items, there are many elements. You must compare between two items to find out the result. It is used to evaluate a number of issues with an entity, such as its liquidity, efficiency of operations, and profitability. Here, liquidity means how much cash you have to encounter your liabilities, and efficiency of operations means how much effectiveness your organization has, and profitability means how much ability to generate profit by using your resources. Okay, why is ratio analysis needed? Ratio analysis is a useful management tool that will improve your understanding of financial results and trends over time and provide key indicators of organizational performance. So here, management tool is important, and actually it enhances our understanding about financial results, financial positions, financial performance, and it will help us to find out the strength and weakness from which strategies and initiatives can be formed. Okay, so you know that in an organization there are a lot of weakness, there are a lot of strengths. First we have to find out it to rectify it. So financial statements analysis, that means ratio analysis, is very important in this respect. Okay, objectives of ratio analysis: interpreting the financial statements and other financial data is essential for all stakeholders of an entity, and hence it becomes a vital tool for financial analysis and financial management. Okay, that means stakeholders means all existing investor and would-be investors and all other the concerns that include the organization. And here, financial analysis and financial management. Financial analysis means analysis taking information from financial statements, and financial management means management body will take decision about the financial issues. Okay, objectives of ratio analysis here: number 1, measures of profitability; number 2, evaluation of operation efficiency; number 3, ensure suitable liquidity; 4, overall financial strength; and number 5, comparison. Here, measures of profitability means you know that the main motto of an organization is to earn profit. So how much profit can be generated by the organization, it should be measured. Say any organization, say ABC company generate profits 5 lakh taka in a given year. So we cannot define it, is it good or bad, because you have no comparison. So we have to compare it. Then second one, evaluation of operation efficiency. That means how much capacity of the organization has to manage its resources to generate its efficiency, to generate its effectiveness. Okay, so in the long run, basically we think about this activity ratios. Through the activity ratio, efficiency ratio, we can evaluate the operational efficiency. Ensure suitable liquidity. Liquidity means you have the available cash. So in organizations, you have different types of assets, but liquid assets is very, very important, because any crisis or any problems can be generated and you have to meet it up by your cash. Overall financial strength. Actually, the financial health and strength of an organization can be measured by some ratios analysis, like leverage analysis, debt equity ratios, and so on. This is the structural ratios also. And number 5, comparison. You know that we have to compare two items, two accounts, or two numbers to figure out the better understanding of the performance of the organizations and how much they are performing and they are generating the profit in long term. And just we can also predict the sustainability of the organization. Okay, types of ratios. Here there are 4 types of ratios: liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, and another name is capital structure ratio and coverage ratio. And activity ratios, in another name is efficiency ratios, and number 4 is very, very important, profitability ratio. So liquidity ratio means the main purpose of this liquidity ratio analysis is to find out how much cash you have to meet up the current situations or current liabilities. The popular ratios are current ratio, quick ratio, working capital ratio, super quick ratio, and these types of ratios liquidity ratio. Solvency ratio or capital structure ratios or coverage ratios means how much you have solvency in the long term to pay your debt, short term debt and long term debt. So for example, debt to equity ratio, debt to total asset ratios, and there are some other ratios like debt to capital employed ratio. So these ratios are very, very important for making sense how much capability or capacity of the organization have in the long term. Okay, then activity ratio or efficiency ratio, and this ratio also measures the level of efficiency of operating or using the resources and assets of the organizations. Activity ratios means that account receivable turnover ratios, then cash collection pillar, then accounts payable turnover ratio, then payment pillar ratios, then inventory ratio, inventory turnover ratio, then average inventory pillar ratios, and these are the very important issues. Number 4, and finally profitability ratio. That means this ratio indicates how much you have the ability to generate profit by using your existing resources and assets. Here, say gross profit ratio, then net profit ratio, the operating profit ratios. So these ratios are very, very important for analyzing the capacity of an organization and how much the ability the organization has to generate profit. Okay, so in our next class we will solve some mathematical problems regarding ratio analysis. So up to this, and thanks for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.